Hello everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial for Light-O-Rama S5. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to create a new preview, as well as how to import or export a preview in LOR S5. When you open the Light-O-Rama sequencer, the Preview tab will be visible on the right side of your screen. This tab can be found on the Start page, as well as when you are working on any sequence. If you accidentally remove this tab from the sidebar, you can restore it by going to Window, View Previews window. To create a new preview, click the green plus sign. To edit a preview, click on the name, then the pencil icon, or just double-click on its name. To delete a preview, click the red X. In Light-O-Rama S4, visualizer files were automatically saved as specific files because they were created in a separate piece of software, not the sequence editor. In S5, the preview is part of the sequencer, meaning you will need to export the file first if you would like to transfer it to a new computer, share it with someone when asking for help, or create a backup. To import or export an S5 preview, you'll click the button with a left-facing green arrow. The bottom two options of this drop-down menu allow you to export or import your S5 preview, which will be saved in the file format .lorprev. If you try to import a newer or older version of a preview that already exists in your preview list, the software will ask you first if you'd like to create a new copy. If you ever need to experiment with adding new props to your preview to see how they'd look, you have the option to make a copy of your preview to make the experimental edits, before changing all of your sequences over to the new layout. If you need additional help with the features of this sidebar, clicking this question mark icon will take you directly to the help files created by LOR. And that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you never miss a notification about new videos.